Dear viewers, today we will discuss concept of certain or sure events. A certain or sure event is an event that is guaranteed to occur in a random experiment. In probability theory, a certain event has a probability of 1. Examples of certain events include drawing card from a deck and finding that it is the ace of spades, or rolling a fair die and getting any one of the numbers 1 through 6. These events are certain to occur because they are included in the sample space of the experiment, which is the set of all possible outcomes. Probabilities of events range from 0 to 1, with 0 representing an impossible event and 1 representing a certain event. The sum of the probabilities of all events in a sample space must be equal to 1, reflecting the fact that one of the possible outcomes must occur in every experiment.